Hey, it's Dustin with SalonGrowthAcademy.com, and I help salon professionals grow their business and get more clients in their chair. I make these videos because there's a lot of broke hairstylists out there, and I don't want you to be one of them. So in this video today, we are going to be looking at a website, and I'm going to be teaching you about your salon website. Your salon website is really important, and it should be the number one way that you are getting new clients in your chair on autopilot. The salon website will work for you 24 hours a day, 365 days of the year, and so it's really important that you get your website right. So in this video, we're going to look at a salon website in Linwood, Washington, and I'm going to kind of go over what is wrong with that website. You can kind of get the details, and if you have a website, there's ways that you can kind of clean yours up from the example here in the Linwood website. So here we are. This is El Marie Hair Studio. And so there's three things that you need to know right off the bat when you come to a salon website to be able to convert that visitor into a client. We're trying to get clients, and that's the point of your website. Anything on your website that is not designed to help you get that client to schedule an appointment needs to be removed. There's no point in having it there. So there's three things that you want to do. First one is they need to be able to know right off the bat before they even scroll that this is a hair salon. So from their logo, it says hair studio, so I can tell right off the bat. Other than that, there's a lot of white space. The image is down here. There's definitely some design issues on this website that could be fixed up. The second thing is, how are they going to make my life better, or are they going to give me an excellent hair service? Now, this is interesting. This is something that I haven't seen a ton of. Right above the scroll, right? This is the scroll. So the very first thing that you see is some of their 5-star reviews, which is a good thing. I think again, the design is not pretty, but as far as like being able to see that it's a good hair salon, they have a bunch of 5-star reviews here. So from that, I know that I can trust them as far as giving me a good hair service. And then the last thing is, how do I schedule an appointment? So there needs to be an online scheduling button right here above the scroll, or a phone number. And unfortunately for this salon, I don't see either of those. Okay, so here it's really small is their phone number, and then I don't see any online scheduling options. So there's a lot of text. So the thing that you want to do in your website overall is you want your website to be scrollable. And what I mean by that is people scan websites, they don't read them. So if I do a little slow scan like this, and I get all the way to the bottom, am I convinced that this is the hair salon that I want to go to? Have they done enough to be able to convince me to do that? So I'll just say right now that this image right here is almost worthless. I mean, if I look real close, it's a small image, but if I look real close, I can see that this is a pretty nice looking salon, but you got to make that bigger. That thing's tiny. And then, like I said, all of this important information should be bigger. The phone number should be up in the header section, and it should be really large. There's no like searching around for how do I contact them. If the visitor comes to the website and they have to spend more than 5 seconds looking for a phone number or an online scheduling button, even if they wanted to schedule an appointment with you, they'll click the back button and you've lost them as a client. So that's not good. You want to be able to convert a high percentage of your visitors into clients, because that'll help you grow faster, and it'll, your website's actually doing what it's supposed to be doing. So next thing is just their hours. There's a direction. Okay, so there's really not much going on here to tell me that this is a good salon. Besides their reviews here, I think this is really good. A lot of small text. As far as the aesthetics and the design, not really pleased with it. It's all white, lots of white space. So design-wise, this is really typical of hair salons. Hair salons all the time, they have their information up there, but the design's just not good. It's just not professional. And you want to put your best foot forward, because there's people coming to your website all the time. If you have a website, why not make it really good so that people feel comfortable scheduling an appointment with you, because that's your first impression. Your website is your first impression. So what I want to do now is I want to go over to my salon website. This is the website that I teach you to build in SalonGrowthAcademy.com. So if you want to learn to build your own website, I have a really inexpensive online course where I teach you step-by-step instructions of how to build this exact website. I do this from scratch. We start with nothing, and by the end of the course, we will have built this entire thing. So what you can do is you can pause the video and you can do exactly what I do. All the text is here. I've spent a lot of time with the text and with the images and making sure that this is a website that's actually going to draw clients to be able to schedule an appointment with you. So as you can see here, it's really easy. The images are big. The text is Not very much, which is good because when people are scanning, they don't want to read. People don't read websites, they scan them. So if you have little images like this, online scheduling, little paragraphs, steps to schedule an appointment, everything right here is really easy to scan. So if you want that, just go to salongrowthacademy.com, and on the homepage there, it's called Salon Website Academy. You can just sign up for that course, and that will teach you how to build this website by yourself. Now, if you're not a do-it-yourselfer, and you just want this website, you're like, actually, I love that website, but I don't want to have to go through learning how to design a website or build a website and find the images and do all the technical work. If you're like, I don't want to do that, but I love this website could be yours. I designed it for hair salons, and all you have to do is just go to salongrowthacademy.com/website. That'll take you to this page. And then if you click this green bar up here or any one of the buttons on this page, that'll take you to my checkout page. And for $97 a month, you can have this website. And I challenge you to find anything cheaper than that. The reason that I made this website is because, like I said, there's a lot of broke hairstylists out there. I don't want you to be one of them. One of the reasons that they are broke and that they can't build their clientele in a relatively short period of time, and I'm talking like 6 months, is because they don't have a good website. They have a website like this Linwood one here, where people are like, it's not bad, but I'm not convinced I want to get my hair done here because I don't see anybody's face, and I'm just not convinced. So if you want a website that will convince people to schedule an appointment with you, and you like this one, then just come to this website, salongrowthacademy.com/website, click one of the buttons on this, fill out the checkout form, and within a couple days, you will have your website up on the internet. We'll swap out your logo. We'll swap out your contact information, your address, your phone number. If you have online scheduling, we'll swap out the scheduling link. And this will be yours. You'll have all the rights to it. I designed this, so it actually is a copyrighted piece. But as part of that, you get that as part of the deal. So most websites, if you were to ask me to build one from the ground up, it's going to cost a minimum of $2,000 startup plus $100 a month for maintenance and hosting and all that kind of stuff. Because this one is already designed, because I've already done the hard work and the heavy lifting for you, I'm not charging you any of the upfront cost. All you are going to be charged is the $97 per month just to keep it up and running. So like I said, that's as cheap as it gets. And the reason I'm doing that is because I know that many hairstylists starting out, or maybe even doing this for a while and you just don't want to mess with the technical, you usually don't have a huge marketing budget. And so I wanted to be able to make something for you that would help you grow your business, get more clients in the chair, something that's tried and tested. And this is the exact layout that we use in our salon for the last 10 years. We get 30 to 40 new clients per month on autopilot. It just happens like clockwork. So if that's something that you're looking for, you like this design, you want it for yourself, you can just sign up, pay for it. And like I said, I'll be in contact. It'll take you to a forum where you tell me a little bit more about your salon, and then I will build this for you. And like I said, in a couple days, you will have this website live on the internet for you to use and send your clients to. So really happy to be able to give this service. I'm excited for the people that have used it. And if you have any questions about the service or about building a website or anything like that, go ahead and put those in the comment section below. If this video has been helpful for you, definitely subscribe to the channel because I have new videos coming out all the time. Videos like this where we talk about website, or we talk about other salon marketing things. And so if you are wanting to learn about how to grow your business, definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel. And yeah, comments below with any questions. And thanks so much for watching. Make today extraordinary.